Binance, the world's seventh most valuable cryptocurrency, is considering alternative formats, pegs, and partners to replace the Binance USD coin. Multiple private and public entities have expressed interest in working with the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange on a similar initiative. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has said in a Twitter post that the company is exploring other issuers and non-USD-based stablecoins. Such a pivot may prove difficult, as nearly all prominent stablecoins remain pegged to the US dollar. The largest non-dollar fiat-backed stablecoin is Euro Tether with a market capitalization of $219 million, according to data provider CoinGecko. The New York Department of Financial Services ordered cryptocurrency firm Paxos, which issues and lists an Ethereum blockchain version of BUSD, to stop creating more tokens. However, the current situation creates an opportunity for non-USD stablecoins, as Binance, being the size that they are and having the reach that they have, will always be a relevant player in the stablecoin space. The New York Department of Financial Services has ordered Binance to comply with its obligations for tailored, periodic risk assessments and due diligence checks on Binance. This has taken Binance by surprise, as the exchange does not currently have a U.S. banking partner.